Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you another journal, and this one is an autumn themed journal. It's a traveller's notebook size. I've used mainly ARTYmaze, I think it is, mainly ARTYmaze, and I've used not one but quite a few of her autumn themed digital kits. So ARTYmaze will be linked below. If you go onto Etsy, onto her shop, and in the search bar put in autumn, all the autumn kits will come up, because like I said, I've used so many of them. I'll try and remember them as I go through. So the journal measures 8 by 4 1/4. It has one signature, 40 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. And my journals at the moment have got free shipping, so anything that I list or anything that's still on there will have free shipping. Okay, that includes international. So the cover, let's just show you the cover. Now, I can't remember what kit that's from. It could be Autumn Medley, possibly. And these, again, that might be Autumn Medley. I just cannot remember, because I've got a lot of it already printed out, and I printed out a few bits from several kits to complete the journal. So this is actually just a double layered topper with butterfly from one of the autumn kits and some bling. And as you can see, it's all been stitched. And let's go inside. On the inside, again, I've used one of the papers from one of the kits. Sorry, I can't remember it all. Should have wrote it all down. This is from the Fruits of Autumn, or Autumn Fruits, it's called. And this here, again, I think that's Autumn Medley. Then here, this is a triple pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, actually, because you can put something in there. That goes in there. We have this from Autumn Whispers, that is called. And again, I think this is from the Autumn Medley kit. And I'm not sure which kit that's from, but it's from one of them. And I've just popped that in there like so. I've got one of the butterflies there. We've got an Edith Holden for the month of October. And then we have some little fall stamps that comes with one of the kits. Just making sure I'm in frame here. Yep. The other side of the Edith Holden. The tabs are a freebie from ARTYmaze. I don't know if she's got them on her coffee shop or her Facebook group. Can't remember. Obviously, because I've had them for quite a while, so I can't remember which place I got them from. These are from one of the kits as well. This is the book called England is a Garden, and I've used that because it's got some nice greens and kind of orangey colours, which I thought was went well with some of the ephemera. That goes in there. It's been folded up. It's got a raggedy edge there. I thought I'll keep that like that. Then here's a pocket from one of the kits. The other side of the book page, we have a postcard, and that is from one of the kits. And again, I think that's Autumn Medley. I think I used some from the cluster, Autumn Medley cluster kit as well. Cluster, it's like builder cluster. This is from Bohemian Crafting. This is from the Autumn Whispers, which is the one with all the fruits and journaling space. This is from ARTYmaze's Eco digital kit. I used one of the pages from that. Pocket, which you get with the kit, one of the kits, a tag, and a postcard. And then here we've got some sunflowers, some journal space, and Edith Holden, little fall stamp from one of the kits. Another pocket, which is England is a Garden, and 2 tags. Butterflies from one of the kits as well. And there is washi tape, like digital washi tape with one of the kits, but I had loads of little strips left from when I trimmed off some of the pages, so I just used that like a washi tape. Little quote here, quote there. This is from Bohemian Crafting. We have a postcard. I think that was a freebie from ARTYmaze at one point. Again, I can't remember if that's on her coffee shop or her Facebook group. We have a journal card here and a tag, and the same in there. and the pockets are from the kit. Journal space, we've got a little flip out here. That page is from Bohemian Crafting. I just popped on autumn quote from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and this comes with one of the kits as well. So there's a good few kits to pick from. Another quote here, another pocket here. That's the book England as a Garden. 2 tags. Edith Holden, Love the Birdies. That's from September. And the sunflowers, another pocket, another tag, postcard. That's the eco dyed kit. That flips out. You could make that into a pocket if you wanted to. And the postcard is from the Autumn Whispers, and that goes in there like so. We've got another pocket here with a postcard and a tag. I think that's Autumn Medley. I don't know which one that's from. I honestly can't remember. And she's got a lot of freebies as well that work well with the autumn kits. You can find that on her coffee shop. Quote, another book page there. That's a piece of ephemera from one of the kits. Again, just use that like a full washi and a butterfly. There's some more Edith Holden. And then here we have a tag, and that's one of the, that holds, well, it's a pocket with 4 slots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So that goes in there. Then this is from the Autumn Whispers. I love that tag, and the one with the pear. It's one of my favourites. Then this is some ephemera from one of the kits, and the butterfly is from one of the kits as well. And then the back, we've got the butterfly there. So that is the journal. And like I said, this will be listed in my shop, free shipping. There is another autumn themed journal in my shop. I will put that on the screen, and you'll see that like any minute now. Yeah, and if you have any questions, just ask. Bye.